Hi, this is Kelly Helming with the ATRC, and I'm going to show you how to deal with the alert box that happens when you try to place a piece of media into a WordPress page that has not been given alt text. This is brought to you by a new network-activated plugin called WP Accessibility. This plugin has several important features, one of which is high contrast mode here for the vision impaired, as well as toggle text size. Another important feature is the one I mentioned, which is an alert box when you've placed an image without alt text. So I will now demonstrate that for you. We have a WordPress page here with a visual editor. I will add media and go to, let's see, this orange flower image here. It has plenty, or orange iris here. I'm going to go ahead and remove this alt text, and just for the purposes of illustration, insert that into the page, and you should see here I have an alert box that comes up. This image requires alt text, but the alt text is currently blank. So at this point, I have two ways I can go. I can either delete everything and just start over, or I can click the image and this little pencil comes up. I'll hit edit. I'll add the alternative text here. Note I'm not saying picture of an orange iris or photo of. Just the screen reader will read those parts. Just say what it is, and more importantly, if there is text in the picture, please type that text into this field. So once I'm confident that my alternative text is accurate, I will hit update, and then I can just go ahead and click this box and delete it. Now I will demonstrate a second way to achieve compliance, accessibility compliance with this new plugin, and that would be to choose Mark Image as Decorative. This needs to be done at the very beginning of your media insertion, and I'll demonstrate that now. So here we have, again, our WordPress visual editor. I'll click Add Media, choose the orange iris. Once again, you'll notice there's no alt text. But there's a checkbox here called decorative. And if you choose this, what will happen, and we'll insert that into the page, you won't get any alert box, and the screen reader will just pass over the image and won't even, it basically makes it invisible to the screen reader. One thing to note though with this choice, it needs to be done at the very beginning. Let me demonstrate what happens if you don't choose it at the beginning. We'll uncheck that, and we have no alt text. Here we have our alert box again. When I choose to edit the image, as I would when I'm adding alt text after the fact, you'll note that there is no option to mark it as decorative at this point. So it does need to be done in the beginning of your media insertion.